All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2018, that's right folks, the 2018 Mazda CX-5. It is the all-wheel drive model. It's beautiful blue with alloy wheels, sunroof, black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, heated seats, fog lights, super nice. Best of all, only 4,000 miles minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your hood looks pretty good. This seems to have a little dent here, about 3 inches right here in this area. Your front driver's rim, very nice NLC curbing. Your tire thread is over 930 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good in this quarter. Looks pretty nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Tire thread over 930 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat and memory. All right. This vehicle does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff right here. I don't know how this thing works, if it goes away or what happens. Got your AC controls right down below. It is dual AC controls. All right, heated seats, boom. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on except for that airbag light that flashes on and off periodically. You got your mileage of 4,655. Looks good. Looks good. Everything looks good. Looks good. Looks good. That radio, obviously, you can hear it. Okay. And then this thing moves like so. Oh, you're not even moves up. Goes to your phone. I don't connect. Sorry. Hit the home button. There's your boom, all your stuff. All right. 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Got your rear passenger seat and what that looks like. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Does have an armrest here, boom, with some tools and such. Very nice. Yeah, rear bumper looks pretty darn nice. Here is your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, as you can see around. What you got here? A little pocket there. These seats do fold forward. Got a little button here. Seems to not be working. Gonna figure that out, folks. Alright, coming around. Got some scuffing here, as you can see. I call it 10 or more inches just to engulf it all. This rim looks good. Tire thread is at 1030 seconds. This door looks good. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Front door here looks good. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Front fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread over 830 seconds. Fog lights are working. Lights are working. Car is on. Folks, once again, this is a 2018 Mazda CX-5 all-wheel drive with 4,000 miles. Questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.